Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. First, let me show you how to access the widgets. So let's press the side button to wake up the screen on our device. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home page of the watch. Now, you can swipe left or right on this page to scroll through the list of widgets, as you can see. And we have widgets like heart rate, blood oxygen, music control, activities, and sleep. And we can customize this list. To do it, we need to open the settings. So swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, find the option called display and tap on it. Now scroll down, find the option called favorites and tap on it. And here we have the list of the widgets, and we can do a couple of things with it. We can remove the widgets from the list, we can add new widget to the list, and we can change the order of the items on the list. As you can see, we have 5 widgets on the list right now, and this is the maximum amount. So if you want to add different widget, you need to remove one first. So let's say I want to remove the sleep widget. So I'm gonna tap on the X button right here, next, or rather under it, to remove it. And now I can scroll up and tap on the plus button to open the list. And here we can select another widget to add it. For example, I'm gonna select stress and tap on OK. And now the stress is on the list. So that's how you remove and add widgets on this list. And to change the order of the items on the list, you can tap on this up arrow under the widget to move it up. So we can move stress up like that by tapping on the up arrow like this. You can't move it above the watch face, so basically now stress will be right after the watch face. Okay? And once you're done customizing your settings, you can go back to watch face, and as you can see here we have stress and the sleep is gone. And that's how you basically customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.